Hello dear, this is PC Laser and thanks for buying our machine. Our machine is very popular and now after you receive our machine, I will tell you how to install the machine and how to operate the machine simply, and that's all. Now we prepared for opening the box, the small box, and after you open the box, please make sure the box is compact and not broken. And now we open the box. Okay. And there are four handles inside the box. And please make sure the handles are not broken. It's complete and normal. Okay. Hello dear, our staff is showing how to install the holder. The holder is need to be installed on the machine, but the spare parts must be installed at once. Now our staff is showing you how to install it. Which moment our staff will show you how to install it on the machine about this part. If there is the scratch, broken, or on the screen is okay. Please check if it is the scratch or broken. Dear, now we need to check the machine to check if it has the scratch and is intact. And now we need to take out the tube. The tube is to prevent from leaking water. And now we install the holder behind the machine. Our staff is showing you how to install the holder. You find the screwdriver and the screws in your spare parts bags, and you find all the spare parts to install the holder. And now, please install the holders beside the machine, the left part and the right part. Dear, now we install the holders beside the machine. There are two holders, and the left holder and the right holder. Now our staff is showing you how to install the holder. The right one. And now the left holder. Must pay attention to the left and right. Don't forget to install the handles, and our staff is showing you the handle 4. And you can see there is a tube on the connector. You must take out the connector first and then to install the handle. Must remember there are 4 handles, and the handle, there is a label on the handle. The handle 4 corresponds to handle 4, and another 3 handles correspond to its own handle and channel. here you can see this is a machine after we install the handles. You can see the handle location, and you can see our whole machine is very beautiful and wonderful. And now next we show you how to add in the water. And you can see this place. There are one, two, three output. This one is the adding water input, and this is the overflow, and this is the water output. And now we show you how to install the water. And you put the animal funnel into the water input and put a water CBC, a white CBC in the overflow. And add water until there is water from the overflow flowing out. That means the water is full in the water tank. It means 3 to 4 liters inside the water tank. And adding the distilled water or pure water until the overflow has water out. It means the water is full in the water tank. You can see this means the water is full in the water tank. And there must have the white CBC in the overflow location. And this means the water is full. And this white CBC you can put it on your normal light. Don't take with it when you don't add the water. Don't put it, it is okay. 好了 because the machine needs to change water yearly, so we need to tell you how to let the water out from the machine. And you move this adding water funnel into the water output, and then you can see the water is out from the machine. And you can, according to this way, to let the water out from the machine. Just move this from this place, it is okay, the water will out from the machine. Now I will show you how to operate the machine simply, and turn on the key. And enter this. And we can see the screen, and there are some parameters on the screen, and the different parameter is stand for different meanings. And you can see this 5. This 5 means the cooling level, and this means the water temperature. This is the pulse mode, and this is the energy. You can adjust the energy according to different persons. You can see, and you can see this is the water flow. And now I show you how to operate the handles. You can use the handle to let the handle close to your skin closely until the lamp become green. That means that is okay. And to start, and you can see the time become change, and until 30 seconds, and the handle began to work. You can see the time is changed, and then that is okay.